This is the story of a major glow-up. The original 100 Weapons was played by over 300,000 people and earned more than 3,000 likes. But while the core mechanic was quite satisfying, the game didn't really have a sense of progression, and it wasn't exactly the kind of game you brag about to your friends. Well, prepare your eyeballs, folks. We proudly present 100 Weapons Goofy Madness, a glorious, ridiculous explosion of chaos, comedy, and utter delightful nonsense. First, let's talk about why this update is more shareable. We've thrown logic out the window, then handed it a tiny parachute and yelled, "Good luck!" Forget swords and axes. In this arena, you'll launch bananas, pickles, ice cream cones, hot dogs, and angry cabbage heads. Oh, and angry broccoli. Carrots are not happy either. Apparently, vegetables have feelings, and those feelings are pure rage.
Whoa, rock and roll.
Not into food fights? Try the plunger, balloon sword, juice on the stick, or the mighty toothbrush.
Brush your teeth, all of you! All of you, brush your teeth!
Get hit? No worries, it only stings for a second. And yes, the projectiles stick to your face. Because realism. The weapons make ridiculous noises. The chaos is real, and it is glorious. The fun doesn't stop there. Prepare to meet your spirit animal, your guide, your sensei, and possibly your future interior decorator, the Mighty Goose. Check out her office. She clearly has taste. But wait, there's more personal space. You also get to decorate your own tent. Yes, your very own sanctuary of absurdity, adorned with meme-worthy wall art and shiny trophies. So many posters to choose from. Like, get that bread? Sounds like something the Mighty Goose would approve of. Make this space entirely your own. Share your setup. Tag us on Instagram. Show the world your weapon of choice. Especially if you worked super hard to earn that legendary Excalibur. Now, let's talk progression systems that stick. Being a warrior in this world is a special kind of lifestyle. In short, you need to treat it like a career. Here is your blueprint. Take down goofy robots and opponents to earn XP. Once you get enough XP, you will level up. If you level up enough times, you will be promoted to a higher rank. Say goodbye to Sir Tripsalot. Say hello to Baron Von Bonk. There are 30 levels and 9 total ranks, and let's be real, it's gonna take a minute to master it all. The best part? Each level unlocks even wilder weapons and beefier robot bosses. You'll know you've made it when newbies whisper, "Where'd they get that cabbage?" Just remember to take care of your health, or you'll regrettably end up in the hospital. Nobody likes hospital food. Collect coins. Use them to upgrade your power, armor, and speed. Then, don't forget to check in with the Mighty Goose. She'll give you the lowdown on how close you are to your next big promotion. She's surprisingly motivational for a goose. After a grueling battle, retreat to your customizable tent. It's your sanctuary. Buy a comfy bed, add a sturdy table, maybe even some bread. Just like the Mighty Goose would do. Then admire your trophies, your artwork, your nonsense. This is your space. And if you're wondering how many ways you can customize it, try over 41 million. Excuse us, that's 41,943,040 to be exact. It's quite unlikely your tent will ever look exactly like mine. And yes, your tent will be waiting for you, just as you left it, the next time you log in. 100 Weapons. Goofy Madness embraces absurdity, rewards your relentless progress, and makes sharing your hilarious triumphs part of the fun. You're not here for a quick visit, you're here for the long haul. Or at least until that trophy shelf is complete.
Yeah. Veggie vengeance. Oh my god.